I bought and tested these cordless hair straightener brushes so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. After struggling with frizz and unruly hair for years, I finally found tools that deliver on their promises. Let's dive into my top 5 picks, each aimed at making your hair routine faster and easier.
Product number 1, Tymo Ring Hair Straightener Comb. Using the Tymo Ring Hair Straightener Comb was an eye-opening experience. I still remember the first time I unboxed it. The sleek black design caught my attention immediately. I plugged it in and within just 20 seconds, it was ready to use, an absolute game changer for my morning routine. The combination of a comb and flat iron meant I could straighten my hair quickly while getting that blowout look I love. The brush adopts PTC heating technology, which distributes heat evenly across the 3D brush teeth. This design is not just about aesthetics, it significantly reduces heat damage by up to 50%. I could feel the difference. My hair didn't just look straight, it felt healthier and shinier too. The 5 temperature settings allowed me to tailor the heat based on my hair type, which was fantastic. My thick, wavy hair needed a higher setting, while my friend's fine hair thrived on a lower one. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, the Tymo Ring delivers salon-quality results at home. The anti-scald feature gave me peace of mind, and it turned off automatically after 30 minutes, great for those forgetful moments. However, on the downside, it can feel a bit bulky if you're used to traditional flat irons, and the comb shape takes a little getting used to for precise styling. So why should you buy the Tymo Ring? If you're looking for a versatile tool that combines speed and efficiency with the ability to style and straighten hair simultaneously, this is a solid investment. With over 9,000 units sold last month, many others seem to agree. It's perfect for anyone who wants to achieve a polished look without spending hours in front of the mirror.
Product number 2, Wavy Talk Pro Steam Hair Straightener Brush. When I first tried the Wavy Talk Pro Steam Hair Straightener Brush, I was skeptical about steam technology in a straightener. However, this device quickly proved to be a revelation. The unique hydro-infusion technology allows steam to hydrate each strand, which is a game changer for anyone with dry or frizzy hair. As I glided the brush through my hair, I noticed not only was it straightening, but my hair felt nourished, soft, and shiny. The 3-in-1 functionality, combining straightening, brushing, and hydration, reduced the time I spent styling to just about 10 minutes. It heats up in 30 seconds and the steam is released gently, making it feel like a salon treatment at home. The brush also features a full anti-scald shell, which is a must-have for anyone prone to burns. On the upside, this product significantly reduces frizz and leaves hair looking healthy. I found it particularly effective for my thick curls. However, the downsides include a somewhat higher price point and the fact that the steam may not be as visible as one would expect, which could lead to some users questioning its effectiveness. Why buy the Wavy Talk Pro? If you struggle with frizz and want a tool that not only straightens but also nourishes your hair, this is worth considering. With its innovative steam technology, you can achieve a look that feels luxurious without the salon price tag.
Product number 3, TQCIR Cordless Hair Straightener Brush. The TQCIR Cordless Hair Straightener Brush had me intrigued from the moment I saw its 2-in-1 design. As someone who loves versatility, I was excited to test its curling and straightening capabilities. The lightweight feel and compact size made it the perfect travel companion. It heats up in just 2 minutes, which is impressive. I was able to switch between straightening and curling without any hassle. The 200 million negative ions released during styling were evident. My hair felt frizz-free and smooth. I used the straightener on slightly damp hair as recommended, and the results were fantastic. I was able to achieve long-lasting curls without the usual heat damage. The battery life is also commendable. I managed multiple styling sessions on a single charge. However, while the TQCIR brush is great for quick styling, I did find that it requires a bit of practice to perfect the curling technique, especially for someone new to using a brush for that purpose. The initial learning curve can be a slight drawback, but it's worth it for the results. So why consider the TQCIR? If you're a busy person who travels often or someone looking for a lightweight, versatile styling tool, this brush could be your next favorite gadget. Its unique design and powerful features make it stand out in the crowded market of hair straighteners.
Product number 4. Launch Hair Levite Straightening Brush. I was thrilled to try the Launch Hair Levite Straightening Brush, given its reputation for sleek, frizz-free results. What struck me first was the LCD digital interface that allowed me to set my desired temperature with precision. Coming from someone who has had bad experiences with overheating, this feature made me feel much more in control. I was able to adjust the heat from 180 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, catering to my hair's specific needs. The first time I used it, I was impressed by how quickly it heated up and how effortlessly it glided through my hair. It took just a single pass to achieve the sleek look I wanted. The versatility of this tool is commendable. Whether you have straight, wavy, or coiled hair, the Levite delivers smooth results. The double negative ion technology worked wonders in sealing moisture and reducing frizz, which is a huge win for anyone battling unruly hair. On the flip side, while it does an excellent job straightening, it might not perform as well for curling. I found that it's best suited for those looking primarily for straightening. Additionally, the price is on the higher end, which could be a consideration for budget-conscious shoppers. Why buy this brush? If you're serious about achieving smooth, shiny hair without spending an eternity styling, the Levite is a solid choice. It's user-friendly and efficient, making it perfect for busy mornings or last-minute events.
Product number 5. Go Brush Pro Portable Straightener Brush. The Go Brush Pro caught my eye because of its portable design, which is perfect for someone always on the move. I took it with me on a weekend trip and it quickly became my go-to styling tool. The cordless feature means I didn't have to fuss with outlets, which is a huge plus for travel. It heats up in just 2 minutes, so I didn't waste any time waiting around. The 3 adjustable temperature settings made it easy to find the right heat for my hair type. I was pleasantly surprised by how well it straightened my hair, leaving it shiny and smooth without the frizz. The anti-scald design provided additional safety, especially since I was using it in a hurry. However, it's worth noting that the brush's size means it might not be ideal for those with very thick hair, as it takes a bit longer to cover larger sections. The only downside I encountered was the battery life. While it lasted for a couple of styling sessions, I found that heavy users might need to recharge it more frequently, especially if they have long hair. So why should you give the Go Brush Pro a chance? If you're someone who values portability and speed in your hairstyling routine, this is an excellent option. With its quick heating and ease of use, it's perfect for those on the go who still want to look polished. After testing these top cordless hair straightener brushes, it's clear that each has its unique strengths. Whether you prioritize portability, steam technology, or precise temperature control, there's something for everyone. Make your choice based on your styling needs and you'll be well on your way to achieving that perfect hair day every day.